Good morning. In this class, we shall study about the modern concept of oxidation and reduction. There are two theories regarding modern concept of oxidation and reduction. One of the theory which tells us electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction, and another is oxidation number theory of oxidation and reduction. This is the second class of this unit like redox reaction. In previous classes we have taught about the classical concept of oxidation and reduction, but in this class we shall study about modern concept. There will be two modern concepts like electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction and oxidation number theory of oxidation and reduction. First we have to discuss about electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction. According to electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction, the definition of oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent as well as reducing agent will be available. According to this theory, the definition of oxidation will be the chemical reaction in which any active element loses its electron. The chemical reaction in which any active element loses its electron, that reaction will be considered as oxidation reaction. And just oppositely we can say that the chemical reaction in which any active element gains electron, that is called reduction. And on the basis of oxidation and reduction we can define the term oxidizing agent and reducing agent. In case of oxidation reaction, the chemical species involved will be reducing agent, because the chemical reaction in which any active element loses its electron, that is called oxidation, and the chemical species that loses electron is called reducing agent or reductant. Similarly, we can say that the chemical reaction in which any active element gains its electron, that is called reduction, and the chemical species which gains electron, that is called oxidizing agent or oxidant. These are the definitions of oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent on the basis of electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction. So we have to write one by one the definition of all the term like oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent on the basis of electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction. So we can write the definition of oxidation in this way. Oxidation. The chemical reaction in which any active element loses its electron, that is called oxidation. This is the definition of oxidation according to electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation, the chemical reaction in which any active element loses its electron, that is called oxidation. It means sodium loses one electron to form Na plus ion. This reaction is oxidation reaction, so we can write this reaction as oxidation. Similarly, we can write another reaction like magnesium, which loses 2 electrons to form Mg plus ion. This is also oxidation. In both the reaction, sodium loses 1 electron to form Na plus ion. This is oxidation reaction. Similarly, in the second reaction, magnesium loses 2 electrons to form Mg plus. that is also oxidation reaction. So we can say that the chemical reaction and all the chemical reaction in which any active elements loses electron, that will considered as oxidation reaction. Not only these two examples, but we have to take a large number of examples in which any active elements loses its electron, that is known as oxidation. Generally metal lose electron because metals are electropositive in nature. So only electropositive elements has tendency to lose the electron, and electronegative element will has tendency to gain the electron. But in case of oxidation reaction, only any active element loses its electron to form positive ion, and that is considered as oxidation reaction. Just oppositely, we can say that the chemical reaction in which any active element gains its electron, that is known as reduction. So reduction is such a type of reaction in which any active element gets its electron. So we can write the definition of reduction in this way. A reduction the chemical reaction in which any active element gains electron that is called reduction. This is the definition of the term reduction. The chemical reaction in which any active element gains electron, that is called reduction. As for example, chlorine gains 1 electron to form Cl minus 1. This is reduction. Similarly, oxygen gains 2 electrons to form O minus minus. This is also reduction. In the first reaction, chlorine gains 1 electron to form Cl minus ion. This is also reduction, as well as oxygen gets 2 electrons to form O minus minus, that is called reduction. So we can say that the chemical reaction in which any active element gains electron, that is called reduction, and just oppositely we can say that the chemical reaction in which any active element loses its electron, that is known as oxidation. These are the definitions of both the oxidation and reduction on the basis of electron loss and gain theory, because we are learning the concept of oxidation and reduction. In the previous classes, we have known about classical concept, but in this class we have learned about both the modern concept like electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction, and another is the oxidation number theory of oxidation and reduction. So the definition of oxidation and reduction written on the board indicate about electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction, in which it is said that the oxidation reaction is such a type of reaction in which any active element loses its electron. As for example, sodium and magnesium loses 1 and 2 electrons each to form Na plus ion and Mg plus plus ion. These are the oxidation reaction. Similarly, in case of reduction, the chemical reaction in which any active element gains electron, that is known as reduction. As for example, Cl and oxygen gains 1 and 2 electrons each to form Cl minus ion and O minus minus ion. These are the reduction reaction. In case of oxidizing agent or reducing agent, we can say that oxidizing agent is such a type of chemical substance or chemical species which gains electron. So the chemical substance which gains electron is known as oxidizing agent or oxidant. But in case of reducing agent or reductant, we can say that the chemical substance or any chemical species which loses electron is called a reducing agent or reductant. This will be the definition of oxidizing agent and reducing agent. In this way, we have came to know about The definition of oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent on the basis of electron loss and gain theory. So we have to write the definition of both the term as oxidizing agent and reducing agent on the basis of electron loss and gain theory. Such term is oxidizing agent. Or oxidant. The chemical substance which gains electron that is called an oxidizing agent. As for example, oxidizing agent which tells us the chemical substance which gains electron. It means any chemical species which has tendency to gain the electron, that will considered as oxidizing agent or oxidant. As for example, Fe plus 3 ion gains 1 electron to form Fe plus 2 ion. In this reaction, Fe plus 3 ions gains 1 electron to form Fe plus 2 ion. So Fe plus 3 ion is considered as oxidizing agent. We take another example like Sn plus 4, which gains 2 electron to form Sn plus 2 ion. This is the another reaction to show oxidizing agent. In case of one of the reaction or one of the system, we have Fe plus 3 ion. Fe plus 3 ion means iron loses 3 electron earlier to form Fe plus 3 ion. So Fe plus 3 ion gains 1 electron to form Fe plus 2 ion. In this reaction, Fe plus 3 gains 1 electron to form Fe plus 2 ion. So the gaining of electron is performed by Fe plus 3 ion. So Fe plus 3 is the oxidizing agent. Similarly, in case of Sn4 plus gains 2 electron to form Sn plus 2 ion. In this reaction, the gaining of electron can be completed by Sn plus 4 ion. So Sn plus 4 is the oxidizing agent. In case of reducing agent, we can say that the chemical substance which loses electron is called reducing agent or reductant, or any chemical species which has tendency to lose the electron, that is considered a reducing agent or reductant. So we can write the definition of reducing agent in this way. Reducing agent or reductant. The chemical substance which loses electron that is called a reducing agent. Reducing agent. As for example, Fe plus 2 loses 1 electron to form Fe plus 3 ion. Similarly, Sn plus 2 ion loses 2 electron to form Sn plus 4 ion. The definition of reducing agent, which tells us the chemical substance which loses electron, that is called reducing agent or reductant. We have to take some of the examples like Fe plus 2 ion lose 1 electron to form Fe plus 3 ion. So, Fe plus 2 gains 1 electron, loses 1 electron, so Fe plus 2 is a reducing agent. In case of another reaction, Sn plus 2 ion loses 2 electron to form Sn plus 4 ion, so Sn plus 2 ion is a reducing agent. It is clear from the reaction that the chemical substance which loses electron, that is called reducing agent, and the chemical substance or chemical species which gains electron, that is called an oxidizing agent or oxidant. These are the definition of oxidation and reduction as well as oxidizing agent and reducing agent on the basis of electron loss and gain theory. Because electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction is one of the modern concept of oxidation and reduction besides oxidation number theory, which tells us the definition of oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. In any textbook or any question, a large number of chemical reactions have been given. In all the cases, it is asked for the student to give the name of oxidizing agent, reducing agent and the definition of oxidation and reduction, and which chemical substance oxidized and which of the chemical substance is reduced. So, it is essential for understanding all these theories and definition to understand completely the electron loss and gain theory of oxidation and reduction. After it, we have to study about the modern concept of oxidation and reduction regarding oxidation number theory. And oxidation number theory is one of the most theory regarding oxidation and reduction which is very popular and very important for all the chapters, and the next all the coming chapter will be responsible to maintain such type of topics. Thanks.